Hello everyone, welcome to a new video series on electric vehicle technology. Today I am going to present an important topic from electric vehicle technology, that is plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, commonly known as PHEVs. So in this topic, it is a part of Unit 1 Introduction to Electric Vehicles. So in this session we are going to understand about what PHEVs are and how they work, their benefits, challenges and their relevance in India. So now let's get into the topic. So before moving on to the topic, we will just recall the types of electric vehicles. So we have battery electric vehicles or BEVs, hybrid electric vehicles or HEVs, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles or PHEVs. So unlike the normal hybrid, PHEVs can be charged externally using a power outlet. That is the key difference that makes them more flexible and efficient. So in the previous video series, we have elaborately seen about hybrid electric vehicles. So in this video, we are going to cover about what is meant by PHEV. So like I already explained, PHEVs are just like hybrid electric vehicles, but a small major difference is that it can be charged externally using a power outlet. That is why it is called as plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. So now let's understand why PHEVs are needed. Many people want to switch to electric vehicles, but they worry about the range anxiety and charging availability, and also they are afraid of taking an EV for a longer distance, and also the battery cost. So PHEV is a solution to all these kind of problems. So PHEVs solve these problems by combining both an electric motor and a conventional internal combustion engines. So this gives users more confidence and flexibility also. So the main user problem includes limited charging stations, long charging time, and the fear of battery being drained using long trips, and also the high upfront cost for a fully electric vehicles. So the challenge here is how can we reduce fuel consumption and emissions without completely depending on charging infrastructures. So this is where the PHEV comes into the picture. So now we have defined, we have empathized why PHEV is required, and now we have formulated the actual problem statement that led to the creation of PHEV. So now let's ideate. So a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle that uses, so here we are going to discuss about what is meant by plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. So a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is a vehicle that uses an internal combustion engine, an electric motor and a rechargeable battery. So here the battery can be charged by plugging into an external power source. In all electric mode, the vehicle runs only on electric motor, but when the battery needs to be charged or when the battery charges is reduced, the petrol engine automatically supports or take over. So basically it is a combination of both electric and a conventional vehicles. So the both benefits of both electric and conventional vehicles are being combined here. So now let's see about the working of PHEV. So there are three modes of operation basically. One is all electric mode, then hybrid mode, and then the regenerative braking mode. So in all electric mode, the vehicle runs only on the battery power. So it is completely electrified. The vehicle is completely runs on the battery power. In hybrid mode, both the engine as well as the electric motor work together. In regenerative mode, the battery gets charged while braking. So this is the main three modes of the PHEV works. Additionally, here the battery can also be charged by plugging into an external charging station, which is not present in a hybrid electric vehicle. That is the major key difference between an HEV and a PHEV. So this intelligent switching improves fuel efficiency and also reduces emissions. So hence it is more flexible and efficient way of using the energy. So few vehicles that are quite PHEV version are Toyota Prius Prime and Mitsubishi Outlander are a good examples of PHEV. So then now, what are the benefits of using a PHEV? So the major benefits include it has a reduced fuel consumption. That is one basic and the first and foremost advantage of having a PHEV. Then, like every EV, here also we have lower emissions because we rely partially on the IC engines. And the third one is no range anxiety because we have a plug-in terminal. So whenever we are out of battery power or we are out of a fuel, we can go for a plug-in. And then battery fuel, better fuel efficiency because we are using both we have the provision for using both electric and hybrid mode. So the battery fuel the fuel efficiency of the machine of the vehicle is quite good, and also finally smooth and silent operation in electric mode. So these are the major benefits of PHEV. So here the PHEV act as a bridge between the conventional vehicle and the fully electric vehicles. So now let's see what are the advantages of PHEV in India. In India, PHEVs are particularly beneficial because first, there is no range anxiety. The petrol engine supports long distance travels. And secondly, they are infrastructure friendly. They are infrastructure friendly because since charging stations are still developing in India, PHEVs can reduce the dependency on charging. So they can partially support IC engine vehicle. So it is quite infrastructure friendly. And the third one is they reduce environmental impact by lowering fuel consumption and emissions. So these are the major advantages of PHEV, and also these PHEVs are available for premium models, which makes it more customer addictive. Like some premium PHEV models include BMW 330e, Ford Fusion Energy, Hyundai Sonata PHEV. So this model combines the performance with electric efficiency. Even though it has quite impressive advantages, it still faces the challenges also. So the PHEVs also have some challenges, so which are complex engineering. Since they combine two systems, they are more expensive. It is a combination of both electric as well as IC, right? So hence they are more expensive, and maintenance demands. Both engine and electric system require servicing. That is one a big challenge for PHEV. And additional weight, because the batteries increase the vehicle size. So vehicle size as well as vehicle weight. So this causes an additional weight to the vehicle. And finally, the infrastructure gaps. There are limited trained technicians and charging clarities in India. That is the major drawback for full implementation of PHEV. because India faces challenge with unclear regulations, and also the charging network is also quite lagging, and we have a shortage of trained technicians as well. So while PHEVs are efficient, they require proper technical expertise also. So this is the outline of PHEV. So now let's quickly test our understanding. Okay. So first, what powers a PHEV in all electric mode? So we have three options. One is petrol engine, electric motor and battery, and diesel engine. So the answer is electric motor and battery. How is the battery charged while driving? And of course it is regenerative braking and using the IC engine also. So that is the answer for the second one. Third, what is the key advantage of PHEVs in India? First and foremost is no range anxiety. And the third one, name one popular PHEV model available in India, which is BMW 330e, which we have seen just now. So as a conclusion, in conclusion, the PHEV vehicles offers a balanced solution between traditional fuel vehicles and fully electric vehicles. They reduce emissions, improves fuel efficiency, and still eliminate range anxiety, making them highly suitable for countries like India, where charging infrastructure is still developing. So this is a quite fast outlook about PHEV. So in this video we have seen about what is PHEV, why PHEV, and what is PHEV, how it is working, and it has advantages and it faces challenges also. So those we have discussed here, and few models wherein which the PHEVs are implemented successfully, and finally we faced a quiz. So thanks for listening this complete video. Hope we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.